Hello everyone, welcome to this next video. I was getting ready to make my next video about zone doubling, and then I came across an issue with the panel I'm using. So I thought it might be worth it to show some people how to get rid of this issue. So you see here, I have two keypads. So this one of them is offline. So this one is actually one that was used before with this panel, and it's no longer there. This is the one that I have now. So I will try to delete it like this from the software and then disconnect. And then when I try to connect again, you see on the panel I'm getting trouble 0. So cancel, and I try to connect again. And then you see the old keypad just showed up again. So let's see how to get rid of this. So I will cancel and disconnect. Now we go to the keypad. See, it's trouble 0. I don't know if it was showing before. So cancel, clear, and then enter 0000, my master code. So now I'm in programming. So 955 to do a module scan. And in a few seconds, it should be done. So let's connect again. Now the keypad is still there, but this time when I delete it, then disconnect, then connect again. Now it doesn't show. So it doesn't matter when you delete it from the software. What matters is you go in programming, you do you enter section 955, and that will do a module scan. So the panel will scan all the accessories on the system and gets rid of anything that is not physically connected. So then you can go in the software and delete it from the software. You see here on the keypad, there's no trouble anymore. So trouble, there's no trouble. So that's it. So I hope you join me next time for the zone tutorial. See you then. Thank you.